Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my intro video, and you're going to need the following apps. You're going to need PixArt, motion portrait, eraser app, Vlogstar, and Fonto. So first thing first guys, we're going to open our PixArt and then click to pictures and select your photo that you're going to use, and then you're going to click to cut out, and then so that you can remove all the background. And then when you're done guys, we're going to save, and you're going to use eraser app. After clicking the eraser app, you're going to click to, then you click to target area. You're just going to remove some of the remaining backgrounds, and then you're just going to remove. You need to be slow guys when doing this process, because you don't want to erase some of the part that you really are going to need. So you're just going to erase some of the small parts that are left from our old project. So this is how our photo looks like. So yeah, we're done. And so you're just going to click save, and then it's going to automatically save to your gallery. So guys, we're going to start another project. So you have to go back to PixArt, click background, and select the green color. And then we're going to open our gallery and select photo, and then we add our pictures on top of the background. You can edit it however you want, tint it however you want. So yeah. So guys, when we're done here, we're just gonna click save and download, so that it can download to our pictures directly. And voila, so we're gonna open our Fonto app, which will help us with our letterings in case you want to write something on your video. So over here I'm just gonna write my name like I did in the intro video. You can just type whatever you feel like typing, and then we can change your font. In case you don't like this one, you can change any font you feel like using, and then you can move style, you can use your colors. And when we're done, we're going to save. After saving guys, we're going back to PixArt. On PixArt, we're going to select a background. Okay guys, so we're gonna go to our Safari to download our background glitter. We're just gonna type glitter background, and then go to pictures. No. Okay, I think this one will do. Okay, we're gonna download it so that it can automatically go to our pictures. And then we're gonna open our PixArt again and select the glitter so you guys can see that it's automatically in my pictures. So we're gonna add on top of our letterings picture so that it can be like something like this. Yeah, okay, you can choose however you want it to be. And when we're done here, we're just gonna click save. So guys, we're gonna open eraser and erase our filtered letterings. Just gonna erase the target area so that we can only be left with this. And then we're gonna click save. It's gonna save to our photo album, and then we're gonna go back to PixArt. So we're gonna click background and click our color that we're going to use as our video intro background, and crop it into YouTube size and save it. So we're going to open another app, which is Vlogstar, so that we can convert our picture into a video. So we're gonna click and start project and click the picture that we just edited from PixArt, and then we're gonna convert it into a video, YouTube size, and convert it into a video. Make it a point that it's 30 seconds, guys, just in case that you're gonna need space. Just make it a point that it's 20 seconds. Sorry, 20 seconds. And we're going to export it to our videos and save. Yeah, okay guys, so we're gonna open motion portrait. It's going to help us to convert our pictures into videos. So this is the very most important part. So we click to our picture that we want to convert into a video, and then we select features that we want to move. Let's say lips and my eyes. Yeah, then there we go. And then we're gonna wait it to counter, and then when it's 9, it's at 9 right now, then when it finishes to count, then it's automatically saved. Okay guys, this is our last touches. And then we open our Vlogstar, we combine everything all together. Firstly, we're going to need our background video first. Then we're just going to take our background video and add our background green video. This is going to help us to convert our background green videos into like normal videos. It's just gonna cancel all the green backgrounds. So this app is very, very important, guys. It helps us remove all the unwanted background colors and then combines all the videos all together. So it's very, very important, this part. Wait, yeah. So when we're done here, we're gonna add our pictures, and then we're gonna add what else, some of our videos that we're left with. Yeah, so guys, what we're using to take out our background videos, it's this little thing here called chroma. So we're just gonna tap it, and then it's gonna help us remove all the unwanted background. When you tap it, and then you just tap the area where you want the background to go. So you tap chroma, and then you tap the background, so it will automatically go. So guys, we're gonna add everything all together, and then when we're done, this is gonna take forever. So we're just gonna add everything all together, guys. This is what our final touch looks like. So we are done, guys. We're just gonna tilt some of the parts, and yeah, oh voila, we are done. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you watched the video until the end because it's so long. So anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.